My friends, welcome back to 200 3D models in FreeCAD series. Today I want to work on exercise 47. Exercise 47 is simple, but it's not one sketch job. It's rather two sketch job. So this is 70 millimeter. I want to make that half transparent. And I am thinking I can make this model from the front view, which is this view, right? That is on XZ plane. So let's go ahead, trace that one, the front view. I want to build only half of it. So I want to place that axis cross right here. So let's go ahead, relocate that, right? There. Cool. Let's start sketching then on XZ plane. Remember, if the image is on XZ plane, I'll have to start drawing on XZ plane. And I want to build only the half of it. And then I'll be mirroring it. So build only half of it. All right. So this is 10. The height is 40. And this width, I'd rather go this width, which is 20 plus 15. 20 plus 15. What else? This height. This height is 20. Pretty cool. I want to extrude that, say backward for 20. I want to extrude that backward. Extrude that for 20 backward. Cool. Because I'll be building this one on the front side, so wanted to push it back. All right, now on this wall, I want to draw this. So inside diameter is 10, outside radius is 10. Should be pretty fine. What I want to do, I should probably not draw another sketch. I can deal with that with cylinder. So that cylinder, the inside diameter should be 10. The radius is 5, right? And height, let's go wild on that height. I want to make that flat. That will do, right? And the height is 30. Let's make that height, the placement in the position on the Z, let's make that 30, right? And let's push it somewhere here. So on the X, let's make it 50. Too much. Maybe 45. Yeah. Oh, let's push it back by say 10. Let's see if 10 will do. To go with 10. Yep, that's about right. So it's right where we want it to be. Now I want to make a cut to make that hole. I want to make these two fillet, right? And so the radius should be 10. Now 10 will put them right on top of each other. So I'm going to go with 9.99. Still too much. Too many nines. How about 9.99? Yeah. So FreeCAD is pretty specific about this fillet, and that's why actually I try to avoid fillet. Not a big deal, but it paid off here. What I want to do now, I want to take this. Yeah, I want to mirror it on this face, which happens to be YZ. So YZ plane. Yeah. And make them one piece. Maybe we can hold on to that. So with the top, we got our for this face. Now I want to build this trapezoidal area. The length is same as 70. The middle part is 30. This is 20. I can probably do that without the image. So what I want to do is let's pull in this geometry, or maybe these 2 points. That will do as well. And take this from here to there, make a trapezoid. Whereas I remember this distance is 20, right? These two should be symmetric, that way we won't have to worry about the angle. This is 30. That constrains everything, right? It close. That looks like the object that we are going for. And that height is 10. So this height is 10. I believe that's our object. Pretty easy. I'm gonna take all these three, make it fusion, make it true, right? That is our object. Very simple. Now it is so simple that I don't feel like it should have been 47, it should have been 44 maybe. So what I'm going to do, I'll take this a little bit far. How about I want to make this as a shell? Say I want to make the same object, but the inside would be hollow. It will be a 2mm thick shell. The simple way to do it is, it's a fusion already now. I can take this face and hit thickness here and make it a 2mm shell. Right? Select the skin and hit OK. It did work. Hold on. So the fusion is still visible. There it is. Dang, it was easy. I'll be honest with you, I was surprised to see actually this thickness button working. I honestly thought it would not work. FreeCAD is awesome. Alright, so we got the shell, and I can also take it, make it look beautiful. Say I want to select these edges, right? And these, maybe these two. So I'm selecting all the outside edges, right? And make it a fillet of 1mm. Let's see if it worked. It worked, but it looks weird here. Let's see. Oh, I haven't selected that line. I thought that would continue. I select that line. Select this line as well. See if it makes any difference. Actually, it does. Now it does look like a, a factory made shell, something like that. Well, folks, there it is. Exercise 47 with a couple more bonus steps in it. I hope you liked this video. I will see you in 48 then. Thank you for watching. Bye.